man found a weak chameleon who was barely alive and refused to give up on her. He tried everything to save her, but nothing worked, so he rushed her to the nearest vet. At that moment, he thought he might lose her, but luckily the little chameleon survived and became part of his family. But first, imagine a tiny chameleon being rescued just in time, then surprising everyone with a litter of puppies. If you believe every saved life can become a miracle, like, subscribe and comment "Little Miracle." Later, his daughter noticed the chameleon walking to a pot every morning. When the man checked, he found eggs hidden in the soil. And once they hatched, the family realized they hadn't saved just one life, but many. If this made you smile, leave a like.